Hello everyone, welcome back to our online smartphone course. Today we're going to learn how to download and install apps. So what are apps? Apps is short for applications, okay, and they are these icons that you can see here, okay, all these square icons. And a couple examples of apps are apps like Facebook, Waze. Okay, this is Waze here. You have Apple Music, YouTube. These are all examples of apps. Now, some apps already come with our phone when we buy them, but some apps we need to download them after we bought our phone. Apps like WhatsApp, for example, do not come with a phone, and we need to download them. Okay, you can have news apps, you can have weather apps, you can have transportation apps, Uber. These are all examples of apps that you can get. So the first thing that you need to know to do is to find your Play Store, okay? The Play Store is the Google App Store. For apps, it's very, very important that you know where this app is. Now, in my case, it's in my one of my front pages. When I open the phone, I just go to the left and it's here. Now, it could be that it's not in one of your front pages on your phone. I have a Samsung Galaxy, okay? So what I do to find all my apps is I just swipe from the bottom of the screen up. You can try this on your phone to see if it works. Now, if it does not work on your phone, it could be that you have on your phone on the bottom somewhere over here an app that has a bunch of squares in it, okay? It should look like a square with many, many, many squares inside it. If you tap on that app, it could be that it will open up all the apps for you, okay? Those are the most common ways of opening your apps. I hope this works for you. Now, it could be that now after you open your apps, you should look for the app Play Store. Now, it could be that you're looking and you can't find it. And one of the reasons for this is that it could be in a folder, okay? Notice how there's 3 little icons here, and here there's like a bunch. This means that my phone is trying to organize my apps by making a folder with a bunch of other apps inside it. Now, if I press on this folder that says Google, and if you find a folder that also says Google, you should tap on it as well. Notice that it opens and voila, I have 3 apps in here, okay? These are all Google apps. And one of them is the Play Store. This folder could also be on your home page, okay? So don't miss it. It's very, very important that you find this app because you cannot get any more apps without this app. Now, you tap on the Play Store, just one slight tap, like a click on the mouse, as I just did, and you should be in the Play Store. What you're going to get is a bunch of recommendations for apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. And on the top, you're going to have a square, okay, where if you tap on the square, you can search with your keyboard. You can just search for apps, okay? For an example, let's just give an example. CNN, okay? If I type in CNN, you can see that a list of options come up. You can just press on the first option and it will search for the app, and as you can see, this is the CNN app. Now, if I know that this is the CNN app and I trust it, you can even see that there's 10 million downloads. You can just press install, okay? Just tap on install and the app will start to install and will download it to your phone. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and press cancel. Now, notice how if I go down on the top, the search just disappeared. What you need to do is just scroll all the way up so that it will come back. Okay, so that's how we download apps. We can search, we can just press on an app that we want. Let's say Twitter. I tap on it, tap on install, and it installs on my phone. Now, the other tricky part is seeing where the app downloaded to. Okay, so we're going to go to the home page. The way I go to homepage, I just press on this middle button right here. Okay, it could be that you have a physical button that you can press on in the middle of your screen. Each phone is a little different in that way. Tap on the home button, and now when you download a new app, it automatically goes to where all of your apps are. Okay, As I showed you, I just swipe from the middle up and I can see all of my apps. And if I swipe all the way to the right, okay, it should be the same for you. Your most recent app should be in here. So Zoom is a recent app that I just downloaded, and that's where it will be. And I can always find it there. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Practice this. It's a very important lesson for our further lessons in the course. Goodbye for now.